Alright, just a quick video showing you how to replace this battery tray on our Hose multi-port timer here. Sometimes these battery trays can fall out. They've got an O-ring that sometimes might go bad. It's just simpler to get the new tray, throw your new batteries in there, and then you would just basically insert that into the timer, and you're good to go. So if you ever lose this or it gets broken or anything like that, you can get a new one. Replacing it is very simple and just takes a couple seconds. If you have any questions about this, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks.